Welcome to this course. In this course, you are going to learn about data structure. This course will provide basic and advanced concepts. In this course, we'll cover practical and theory both. Here is the definition for data structure. Data structures are the way of organizing and storing data for efficient use. Data structure is a way to store and organize data so that it can be used efficiently, set of operations being performed on data. Here are the applications of the data structure. Every application uses various types of data structure. By using organization of the data, we can increase the speed of the data. How to search data from 1 million atoms in very less time. Data structure will increase the search speed. So this is very helpful way to maintain and retrieve data. Implementation, data structure concept, practical work, C language. In this course, we are going to implement our data structure concepts in C language. By using dev C++, we are going toward implementation in all the lectures. First, I will explain you the concepts with the theory and then we'll cover it in implementation mode. So here are the main and important topics in this course. So the first one is arrays, which is very basic constructs of data structures, and then pointers, which is very interesting topic for me and for you guys. Linked lists and its implementation. We are going to perform CRUD in linked lists, then stack and its operation like pop and push operation by using stack. Next one is queue, how we can enqueue and dequeue operations in queue. We can perform different operations by using queue and a lot of advantages of queue data structure. Then recursion, obviously very important topic. Search algorithms and sorting algorithms are the part of this course. In sorting algorithms, we are going to discuss about merge sort, bubble sort, insertion sort, selection sort, and in search algorithms, we are going to learn about linear sort and binary search. I hope this course will be amazing for you guys. If your concepts in data structure are cleared, then you will become a good programmer. The use of data structure in computer almost in every aspect. So please watch all the videos carefully. Once again, thank you for joining this course. This is Muhammad Fahim, database expert and data structure expert. Be ready for the amazing and interesting concepts in data structure. This course will guide you to become a good programmer. Thank you for watching this video.